There's like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, this, that, yeah, Sean, pockets. I was gonna say, what the heck you talking about?
I'm kidding.
Better be kidding. Hey guys, welcome. ShéKayla, the vlog started and you always tell me your face always make the camera always catches ShéKayla looking a certain way. Anyways, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time it is that you're watching. Welcome to another vlog. It's your girl SK. If you are new here, guys, we are actually going on a nice little trip. We're going on a trip, a nice little road trip. We're driving into, it's a nice little road trip. What do you mean it's not a road trip? What you talking about?
Road trip.
What's considered a road trip, y'all? Like what, how long do you have to be driving for it to be considered a road trip? Comment down below.
At least 3 hours.
No.
3 hours?
Yes.
At least more than 30 minutes.
Hey, I'm with you, ShéKayla. At least more than 30 minutes.
At least 30 minutes.
And I'm sorry, I got lipstick all on my teeth. Do I need to restart it?
Wait, can you see my mirrors? Alright.
Hold on. Because I started a vlog and lipstick on my teeth. Hold on, yeah. I'm not even gonna start over. Raw and real. But I apologize for having lipstick on my teeth talking to y'all. That was just a bit like rude. So yeah, we're going on a road trip. It's gonna take us more than an hour to get there, okay? We are driving into Westfield. We're going to Westfield for the first time. Well, I've been
London.
there.
London.
Yeah. Well, I was gonna tell them. It's going into London, so we're actually going to Westfield and we're gonna visit the biggest shopping mall. So Westfield Shopping Center, it's the biggest shopping mall in Europe. Believe it or not, I did not know that until last night when I was looking it up, like how far it is from the house. So it's apparently the biggest one in England and the biggest one in Europe, so that's a bit impressive, right? Westfield Shopping Center. So we're going to the one in Shepherd's Bush? Shepherd's Bush. There's two. There's one in Stratford and then there's one in, oh look, he's turning, in Shepherd's Bush. So yeah, come along with us and just see what we get up to. I really want to get some makeup, so that's probably gonna be the first tour that I jump into. I want to get some makeup because, you know, yeah, that's the place for it. And that's, I think over there have like a lot of nice little outlets. There's even Tesla over there. There's like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, this, that, yeah, Sean, pockets. Baby, have your wallet?
Always.
Okay. Ooh. So we're gonna buy some, is it what I'm gonna say, Louis V?
I don't know.
We're gonna buy some Louis V today, some Prada, some this, some that, you know? We'll see, guys. See y'all in London. Alright. Oh, make sure you like the video and subscribe if you are new to the channel, and drop a comment down below. Have you guys ever been to Westfield, those of you guys that live in England? And what store is your favorite and do you like it? Comment down below. See y'all in London.
Hey guys.
I'm not gonna say no hey guys. Hey guys. I was gonna say y'all.
Yeah.
We're stuck in traffic. I mean, we've been in traffic. Traffic's gonna be like 30 minutes, Sean.
Yep.
30 minutes of traffic. Look at this. I think there's like a lane closure or something. So that's why we're like stuck here, which actually sucks.
Yeah, because we're just like 9 miles away from where we're going. It's not that long, but it takes like an hour.
It's long. It's a road trip, Sean.
Well, okay, so it was a 9 mile road trip.
It was just 9 miles, Sean?
It's just 9 miles, but we're taking an hour to do it because we're going into London, you know. So yeah,
Sean, it wasn't 9 miles though.
it's according to GPS, it's 9 miles.
It was like a good 17 miles. It can't be 9 miles, Sean.
Okay, so for the sake of this video, this trip was about 30 something miles ish.
Sean. Oh, he gone over. I wonder if this is what closed. Is it this lane that's closed? It's this lane that closed that we in. Yes, Sean, is the middle lane that's closed. That's where that one swoop over. Oh, look at that train up there. Y'all see that? Look. Basically, that's it. Kayla, what you doing? TikTok. Yeah, she always on TikTok. Anyways, I put on like these new lashes. You know, I gotta show y'all. Have a look.
I don't think it just come over like that, you know, Papa.
I love that.
Permission to come over from me.
Did he come over?
He's trying to.
Oh, because then them gotta come.
Yeah.
But them lane ain't closed. They're lane
I'm
closed.
going over until it's time to merge.
Oh, it's merging now. Look, it's a merger lane.
I'm going over when there's no more space left.
But Sean, I think we gotta go left after a while, innit? Oh gosh. Yeah, so anyway, that's the update. So that's why we're still not there, unfortunately. We probably got another 15 minutes of being in this traffic, but at least it's kind of,
to be exact.
I kind of round it off. 17 minutes, yeah. So anyways, see y'all in London. So strange. Take us through here. Maybe it's to avoid traffic. Y'all see where people live, these people houses, y'all, and they gotta park to the side of the road like this. Oh yeah, this is a church. Ancient. Look at it.
It's a one way.
Oh, we could go left and right. Yeah, it's a one way. Guys, we're like 9 minutes out. See? Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying the little sceneries. Oh, is this a high street? This is a high street. Traffic coming from. Alright, Sean, calm down. Whoa! Controlled zone. I am always very scared driving in London and on roads and all sorts because I be taking wrong turns and end up in areas where it shouldn't be. Oh, look at these houses as well. London Bridge.
It's falling down.
Like, how come every time you come around my London Bridge wanna go down? Like London. We supposed to give way, Sean?
Yeah.
Oh. 20 mile zone, babe. But yeah, the Prince of Wales, that's a pub, y'all. An English pub.
An English snub.
More houses over there. Y'all getting a little tour? Yeah, so it's just houses around here. Y'all get the little gist, right? Y'all get it. I'll probably turn back the camera. I'll turn it on again.
20 miles an hour, guys.
When
you guys can't believe how ridiculous that is. Yeah. 20 miles an hour. I've never been on a road that's 20 miles an hour. Let's stop parking a lot.
Really?
Or a school zone.
Yeah, y'all speed limits are be high because y'all be on the highway doing all like 90 miles and all kind of stuff. Well, and our maximum is 70. So
well, we don't have any highway that give us 90, but we do it.
Y'all don't have 90?
Nah.
I always be seeing people pushing doing 90 on the highways over there. That's the thing. Y'all, a lot of places over so don't have speed cameras on the motorway. That's why. But we have our motorways controlled. We have speed cameras on most of them. So yeah, I'm gonna come back when I'm pulling up so you guys can see.
Hey, don't block me.
The building, guys.
I could have went, you know.
I know. A little mini roundabout. This is what we have a lot of though. These little mini roundabouts right here in the road. So yeah. 1 minute. Oh, we could go Chinese. Guys, we're here. Look, the mall is there. Say Westfield.
Yeah,
Right here. Wait, you. We're there. Okay, sir. Or across. Chinese Tian Fu. I bet it's like Shan Fu. Not Tian. It's not Tian. It could be Tian too. Not true. Cameras as well over here. No idling. Guys, there's a lot of signs that say no idling. We supposed to turn somewhere, Sean. Where's the parking for in here? How do we get in here?
I have to figure it out.
Oh my gosh. So guys, we're here. It says end, Sean. So it left us hanging, huh?
This parking, we're gonna make a U-turn and go back the other way. Look.
But it probably, we'll see.
We'll see.
Guys, we're trying to find parking. We're here, but I thought it would have lead us into the parking garage, but it doesn't, which is annoying. So we're trying to find somewhere to park. John Lewis is a big mall though, huh? Cause you see it all around this, so come around here. So Kayla, there's a Primark here. She can't hear me, ShéKayla listening to her.
Sorry.
Find out that like Primark, like I want to the past watch. If I'm Primark watch.
There never used to be a Primark here, babe, because they said like it was a lot of designer outlets and all of that. They didn't have Primark here. I think Primark probably knew. It wasn't here when I came here 9 years ago. I think I came here 9 years ago, back in, yeah, when I first come to England. Let's try and find this parking and then we'll meet you inside, I guess, if we find space.
We have to go bad up some people now, to tell the truth. We have to be proper aggressive right now.
Sean, who you want to bat up?
Proper aggressive.
Sean, so we gotta bat up some people to let us in. Oh gosh. Every minute I say, I'll see you guys inside. And then I come back and we're still not inside. Sean, the people can't even see. So yes guys, we are here. We're there. Sean, I'm gonna take it from now. Oh, look at that cute little upside down house. Oh my gosh, that's so cute, guys. Look, it's a nice little upside down house. You see it, Kayla?
It's upside down.
Yeah, that's so cool. That is so cool, isn't it? Yes guys, so the parking is, I hope it's in here, Sean. Oh my gosh, this is not the parking garage. I am hoping that the car, yeah, because it's a car park. Okay. Cause jeez, no one stress out, you know. Oh look, Camden Town bus. Camden Town, that bus says. Y'all remember when I took you to Camden?
I'm not letting in this bus, so.
Oh, the bus now you come over here. I took you guys to Camden.
Nah, come in.
When we went to eat up all that nice street food. Y'all need to go watch my Camden vlogs. So that's the last time I actually been into anywhere in London. Sean, that's a bit mean.
No space for you here, so.
So we're underneath this bridge or tunnel or whatever. All them London buses. Oh, Clapham Junction. Car park. John Lewis.
I never read those
car
stupid
park.
maps.
Westfield London. So we could go car park B, car park C.
Car park B have 0 spots, see?
Where? There's no zero.
Zero.
Oh yeah.
C now.
So we gotta go car park C. That have 41 spaces. Oh wow. Sean, it's a good thing you see that. I wasn't focusing on the number, you know, at all. Guys, it's been how long, Sean? About 30 minutes.
Trying to find parking and everything.
30 minutes trying to find parking, and we're finally here, but we still ain't here. We're here waiting for the lift, y'all. See? Because we gotta go up. We're like 3 floors below ground, underground, or something like that, right? So we're like underground parking and whatever. So we gotta go up. What? Yeah, because I've never been this far underground.
But you don't know that.
Yeah, so we're just waiting for the lift to come so we can go up. River stepped the whole way. He's up now though. Here he is. Say hi, Rivi. He looking so cozy, huh? He just woke up away. Huh? Say hi. You saying hello?
How are we gonna get the elevator on?
ShéKayla is there and Sean is right there, and I don't know. We're just waiting for it now. I'll see you guys when we get inside, I guess. Yeah. Alright. I like the vibes already. It's recording still, or did it stop? Oh, guys, we're inside. Oh, Sean, look how bright this is here.
Oh wow.
You see?
Yeah. Very bright.
Smile. Guys, so we're inside. Oh my gosh, we need a toilet. Toilet, yeah. So guys, we're inside. So nice already. Oh, got tennis here? Okay. That's cool. Ding 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 ding. Y'all in here is so huge. We need to find a bathroom. Alright guys, I wanna come back to you guys soon. But I need to find a bathroom because we've been driving forever and whatever. So yeah. What's that? Oh, it says explore a world without limits. Oh, you put that on. Oh.
Some virtual reality stuff.
Oh, virtual reality.
Yeah.
Alright guys, soon come back to y'all. I love it here. It reminds me of the family room in Reading. Look at the family room, y'all. So the changing facilities over here for River. Oh, this said, oh, is it engaged?
It's not, it doesn't look like it's engaged. It's a green screen.
So cool. Let me turn off the camera. Huh?
It's kind of engaged.
I'm gonna show the chocolate them.
Okay.
Guys, look at these chocolates. So this is a place called, what's it called? La Direct Choc, but I don't know. I can't pronounce it. But they have different chocolates. Swiss, I think it's Swiss. A vegan cashew. Strawberry curds, caramel fudge. Where's the dark chocolate? Confetti. Okay. It's like Chocolate City, huh? Alright, let's go up.
Different type of something that's
I know.
different type of
Oh, sorry. Guys, I'm using the GoPro, so you know the quality gonna look different now because I'm not using my camera. So right now we're gonna go and get something to eat. That's the thing, we can't use the escalator because we can't take the stroller on the escalator. So we need to find a lift. We need to go up on the lift then, Sean, huh? Sean is there by the elevator and we're just going up here. So here we are. There's Kayla. Here we are. Kayla, wave. Say hello. Yeah, guys, so the restaurants are up here. And we are here. Oh. Hello. Got Zara up here, huh? Look at this, y'all. Yeah. It's quite nice. So yeah, guys, I say this is the biggest mall in Europe. Nando's over there. Catch me. Shella, we need to go, and I don't know where the lift is though, like where Sean's gonna come up through. Maybe back here. Let's go around here and see if he's gonna come around on this side. Because I don't know. It's such a pain because we have River. No more just jumping on escalators. Oh, he's gonna come up through here. Okay. He should be coming up through here, y'all. That's alright then. Okay. We wait for him here. And then the restaurants are over there. So they got Lebanese. Let me see what they have. They got Lebanese. They got Vietnamese street food. Nando's. I definitely don't want like Nando's or anything that I normally have. Probably we could try something different, dirty vegan. I don't know if I'll Lebanese food taste. I might not get Vietnamese street food. I've never had food from Vietnam, so we might do that. Let's wait for Sean though. Alright. Yay! Yeah! Oh gosh. So we have Sean is here now. I don't even know if this thing to see you, babe. Sean is here. Y'all, coming here with a kid and a stroller, it doesn't work because it's like a good 20 minutes wait on the elevator. So we just have to pop River out, hold him and fold in the stroller and just come up the escalator with him because nah. So we're gonna go eat now. Sean, I was thinking Vietnamese food. No, it's just because it stood out, you know. There's Taiwanese food. Oh my gosh, I have to buy a slice of cake though. When we choose a restaurant, I'm gonna come back to you guys, okay? All right. Yeah. So guys, this is Chinese. It is. What is that? Mrs. Chu's. So here I got fish and chips. It's packed in here. So let's see. Oh, we could look at this. Can we see the Vietnamese food from here though? Color here is 4. Yeah, it is. We need to find a table as well. I think I want the Chinese, babe. I'm gonna go with that. So we got Mrs. Chu's here. Oh, this is Chinese too. So we got another Chinese. I love the way them Chinese one look over there. That look nice. I saw a fried rice and I was like, oh yeah.
So why you have more crowd over yesterday?
Right? Yeah, probably because it's nicer.
Okay.
So we might try this Mrs. Chu's Chinese kitchen. Yeah, so we'll show you guys what the food looks like once we get it. ShéKayla said she wanted to try 4, but no, you didn't say 4. 4 is noodles. I would like to try the Japanese soup. Okay. I would want to try the Japanese street food, but I can't see what it looks like, and the line is a bit long. But Sean, where's the queue for here though? The lights in here nice though. Yeah. What are you eating, Rivi? Soon come back to y'all. Guys, look how it looks. It looks so good. 28. That looks good. Oh, here's the waiter. Hello, sir. Thank you so much. Guys, we ended up getting we ended up going by this Chinese called Master Bao or something like that. So this is the food that we got. Some sort of sweet and sour chicken and fried rice. Because guys, the place the place is just so packed, it's ridiculous. Like the lines just to get food is just ridiculous. The price is ridiculous. Everything is ridiculous over here. It's crazy. Yeah. So I'm gonna go and eat because right now I feel like the day is just going at 6 o'clock.
You have an hand sanitizer with you?
Oh, it charged. It's here. Yeah. So we're gonna go and just eat, and then I'm gonna go get my makeup. ShéKayla's gonna go get whatever she gotta get, and we're gonna get out of here because it's not what I expected. It's super busy. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat, y'all. The chicken is nice. Tasty rice.
That's cool.
It's good. See y'all in a second. So guys, we're finished eating, right? That was actually Taiwanese food that we had. It wasn't Chinese, it was Taiwanese. And now I'm here by Mac. So Mac is just here, if you can see, and then Tesla is there. I want to go and see what they have. So I'm gonna go inside Mac now. So Sean, wait for me. Yes, I'm going in Mac now. It's just here. I want want a lip gloss, yeah. I think I have this already. Glass. But I don't know which one to get. I feel like I already have one. I don't want to buy back the same one. I want to try it. I feel like I already have this. I'll get this one with all things magical. So I'm gonna get this one. You was gonna make this 5 minutes. Sean is out there waiting for me, y'all. I tell him 5 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna be. 5 minutes. I'm not gonna be long in here. So yeah. I wanted to get this one and a foundation NC50. Yeah. Is it the Studio Fix? Yeah. Okay, I'll get that one. And then that one. Yeah, I wonder if I should get a pack of wipes. The wipes in here is so wet. Wow. I don't know, they got like moisturizing lipstick and stuff. Let me show you. Can I just take a little capture of here? Yeah, these ones. They're like £22. ShéKayla here looking for makeup as well, yeah. You can, yeah. It's a tester. How much for it? You know how much for it? This don't blend and this is NC46.
But look, it literally blends in my hand.
It looks so, but I wear NC50. Let me see, I'll show you guys what I normally wear, which is, so I always wear like the Studio Fix.
Right, so put your foundation there, the NC50, show the tail. But unfortunately, we're out of stock of this one. So if you want to find another one, I can help you.
Is there one closer to it?
Less.
Yeah, show me boy her makeup. Is the prices on them now? I don't even know how much. I was showing y'all how much. Which one I normally use. This is 55. This is 60. Where's the color that? Where's 50? I normally wear NC50, y'all. But yeah, here it is. This is the one I normally wear. NC50. Yeah, see this one. Everything I asked for, all of the lip glosses and stuff I asked for, they don't have. It's just, yeah, they don't have. I'm gonna have to order them online, but I'm gonna go and pay for my foundation now. I don't need powder because I have another powder. I have a full powder at home, which is what I use. So I'm wearing like the Maybelline foundation and I'm wearing the MAC powder. So I'm gonna go pay and then I'm gonna go meet Sean in Tesla because MAC is next door to Tesla. So that's what we're gonna go see. Alright. Okay. Alright, so let's go pay then. Mascara. How much is the mascara? £20, £26.
You know the best.
Yeah. Look, smile, man. Guys, ShéKayla is in the chair. ShéKayla is gonna get her face. She's gonna go get matched up to see what powder and foundation that she would use from the MAC. We're just waiting for somebody to come and get her to make her up. Chat to y'all outside. I bet you Sean probably gone in Tesla. Guys, this is what we're doing. I have the stroller part and Sean have the car seat part to clip in here. So Kayla, welcome.
Sorry, I didn't know you were there.
Girl,
I didn't know you were there.
so guys, we're done with MAC, right? The wait time was just so ridiculous in there. So what we're gonna do now, ShéKayla is going by her most favorite store.
Alright, cool. I'll be back. I'll catch up with you guys.
Yeah. ShéKayla is going by her most favorite store. Sean opted to stay back there in Primark. You hear? I don't know why she loved Primark so, but I mean I love Primark too. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah. Oh, they got waffle. Oh, not much of them. I don't mind having a waffle. Oh, no recording?
Unfortunately, it's 5 o'clock.
Okay, that's okay. I'll turn it off then. Guys, I can't record anymore. So guys, they shut me down a while ago with the camera, so I'm using the phone because he's like, oh, I'm so sorry, but he was the sweetest security guard ever. So I'll just give you guys a little walkthrough basically on the way to Primark. At least he was like respectful the way he went about it, you know. and stuff. So we got River Island here, and they have 30% off. Sweet. So yes guys, this is Westfield. Do you want to go in there? What's the shop called? Let me see what they have going on, Kayla. I've never been in here before. Oh, okay. How much is this? $69.99. Stradivarius. Oh, this feels good though. Oh yeah, this feels good. Is it leather? Oh, it's like a leather jacket. Yeah. Oh, this is very nice. Wow. Do you know what? In here reasonable. $39.99. Oh, I love this too. This is nice. Oh yeah. What is this? I've never been in this store before though. It's quite. ShéKayla, you're always looking for tennis skirts. You're not getting no tennis skirts. Definitely not. Let's go. You always with the little pieces of skirt. You guys, talk to her.
It's cargo pants, yeah? Why not this color? Cargo pants. Well, what cargo pants?
It's $27.99. They got bell bottoms. How much are these ones? $25.99, ShéKayla.
Which one is good pants?
Huh? They're not bad though, huh? Oh, this one look nice too. Oh, nice. How much is this? This is $45.99. No man, what brand is this? Stradivarius? Correct me. Let's go to Primark, y'all. I haven't stopped the recording. I'll probably just do like a unedited video swatch. This is Bershka. They have sales in here, 2K. Yeah. Escalator. So guys, I think Primark is like way down in the corner. I wish they had an Auntie Anne's. Oh my gosh. It's a store called Mango. ShéKayla, let's go have a look to see what's in Mango. Huh? Oh, okay, alright. Let's do that. ShéKayla said don't bother with it because she needs to go Primark. Huh? And stores look like this, spacey.
But like, look at this.
What the price is on this?
Probably like £50.
Yeah, $59.99.
Yep.
I figured when stores look like spacious like this, like boutique type, it might be a bit pricey, but that's not bad for that though, I guess.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's quite nice. Hamley's, the finest toy shop in the world, Kayla.
No.
I mean, that's what it says over there. Coming soon. Oh wow, coming this summer. So is it here then? Cause summer gone. I don't know. Starbucks. Oh my gosh. I am going to get my pumpkin spice today. They have a Starbucks here, y'all. So I am getting my pumpkin spice. I'm getting my pumpkin spice, and nothing is gonna stop me from getting my pumpkin spice. So guys, we're here at Primark. It looks huge. Get a basket, please. Yeah. Look at her. Every time she's in Primark, she's like, yep. On the go. Oh my goodness. So guys, this is like a huge Primark. Kayla, don't go far. Okay? I'm coming, don't go far. Where did ShéKayla go? Yeah, they got their Christmas stuff already. Christmas is here, y'all. Wow. Okay. Oops, sorry. I might go to see the baby section actually. What are you looking for here? What lashes you want, ShéKayla? What lashes do they have? These just look, they're too dramatic for you though.
I know.
Your eyes are so tiny.
My friend, I'm gonna say, she has the lashes, but like they're natural lashes, not like full on. Like,
no, but she normally gets like these ones, ain't it?
Yeah.
Can't be these. ShéKayla, you don't even need lashes. Look at you. No, because these are like professional ones. I'm not gonna.
But she doesn't get them done. Oh,
Yeah, you have to go and get them done. £5.
but they're £5.
Keep your eye on the
Look
price.
oh, look, these ones.
These long in a ShéKayla. Natural for gorgeous looking lashes. If you want to try them, but they're gonna be longer. These gonna be too long for you. I could done see you looking all dramatic. They're too long. You need something shorter. You know? But they don't have.
They were like these ones. No, these ones were like thin.
Yeah, you need like very thin. Probably the one that I have already. No, what's that? I'm actually looking by the costume jewelry part. And I think I'm gonna get these earrings because they look cute and sparkly and they're only £3.50.
This looks cute.
So I'm gonna get these. What looks cute?
This.
ShéKayla, what would you be doing with just that though?
So cute.
Like really? Tell me. I think that's all I want. I don't really like the whole heap of makeup. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna get from this section. This Primark is huge. I don't even know where to go. We're gonna focus on the shopping now because there's a lot happening and it's too big in here. So I'll come back to you guys probably like after we get everything, and I'll let you guys know how that goes, because you know, shopping with ShéKayla nowadays, it's not that fun because everything I suggest she's like, no, I don't want that, I don't want that. Preteen drama, you know. So let her do her thing and I will come back to you guys after. Sean did not come in here with us because Sean is not into this whole vibes with us shopping. So yeah, they got sale going on here. Oh wow, got some sales on the jeans, y'all. Look, reductions. So they got £10 that used to be for 20. £10. Yeah, all of these are like on sale right now. Obviously, you know, winter is coming up, so yeah, £3 reduction, everything like sailing out basically. You know what? I feel like these so different. I feel like I would rock this. This would look so nice. You take some nice fall pictures. I don't want to try on anything though. I'm not into that. I don't actually know if a 12 will fit. I think I'm not gonna make today about myself and get this, and let me just make sure that ShéKayla is staying on track, y'all. So I will be back. All right. Okay. Tell me, I don't think I'm meant to ever try the pumpkin spice. It's too late. They said they ran out of it, and once October finishes, that's it. But he said that if you find other locations, they might still have it. So for now, I've ordered the eggnog. So hopefully the eggnog is really nice, because I love eggnog, but I've never had it from here. He asked me for my name. I think that's something just from watching YouTube videos, and then they're gonna call me. I don't know. So I'm here waiting. So I think it's eggnog. Yeah, eggnog. That sucks. I have to wait until next year. I thought they would still have it because I mean it's still autumn. But he said usually after Halloween and stuff, it's done. So I'll try it so you guys can see what I think about it. So let me just wait for that. This is eggnog, babe. Oh, you were there, right? So I'm gonna try the eggnog now. See how it is. It's kind of strong. It doesn't taste like eggnog. ShéKayla's gonna try. Strong, right? You don't like it?
That's not eggnog.
It's strong. It don't taste like eggnog, but there's something hot underneath. So I don't know if they put like this syrup. So maybe I just need to like shake it up. I don't know. Sean, it doesn't taste like eggnog. Anyways, see y'all downstairs. Yeah, I think our day is now done. Not a fan of the eggnog, whatever that was from Starbucks, so I won't be getting that again. There was no egg in the eggnog, or no nog in the eggnog.
No nog.
There was no nog in the eggnog. I didn't taste it. It didn't taste like eggnog. I'll give it a 7 out of 10 because I still had like it. When you reach down to the bottom, it was okay. Or maybe like a 6.5 out of 10. A 4. my gosh, and it was for like £4.50 for that. Wasn't worth it. So I wouldn't recommend it per se, but it was alright. So here's where we are. They have tennis going on. This is tennis they have going on, y'all. The DJ is down here. And guys, all the restaurants are over there. So yeah, I'm gonna say the mall is like so huge. We definitely didn't even see half of it, you know. It was just too many people here. It's a Saturday, it's super busy. Would not come back here. I would not come back here on a Saturday. Can't do it. And especially having river up and down with the escalators and waiting for the elevators. It's too much hassle. So maybe like in the week or something, but at least I got my makeup. ShéKayla do her little shopping. Sean tag along. That was a milkshake. Yeah, Sean have a milkshake and ShéKayla's having a little scoop of ice cream, and I had that thing from Starbucks, and I went to see if I can get a nice slice of Black Forest cake, but they're all sold out. So the night is we're ending the night here. It's now 9:06 p.m. So yeah, we're gonna make our journey home. We're probably gonna reach home at 10, and that's it.
What?
It's 9:06 right now.
Oh, okay.
It's very, yeah, it's a bit late, 9:06. So we've been on the road and in the mall for way too long. So we're gonna go, and River is here as well. Still awake. He's still awake. Little trooper, right, baby? But I could tell River is ready to go home. Probably want to go on his mat. Right? I think he misses his mat. He's like, why am I here in this mall all day stuck in this chair? So thank you guys anyways for watching. I appreciate you guys, everyone who made it to the very end of the video. Sean, the lift, is there lifts over here? You want to wait for, you want us to go on the lift, or we need to go anyway? Yeah, so we're closing off. Yeah, so we're closing off the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to the channel, y'all. And if you guys enjoyed this vlog, catch you guys